how to add subtitles to your online course videos. Now, having subtitles and captions is a way to massively increase the accessibility of your learning, meaning more people can actually engage with that content depending on special educational needs, depending on sensory issues, and of course, English as a second language or whatever language it is that you're teaching in. There are a huge array of tools today that actually allow you to very quickly and easily create those subtitles and captions on your video files. The one I'm using and the one that you see here is one called Descript. There is a little link for you to click on there. But basically Descript is super easy. I really love this tool because it allows you to suck in your videos from your phone. I tend to record all of mine on my phone. It's just easier. And from there, it automatically transcribes the whole entire video. It's incredibly accurate. And the best part about Descript is that when you have that transcript then showing on the screen, the text on the screen, when you delete or edit parts of the text, it automatically cuts and edits the video to match. It's amazing. Go check it out. There's a link. If you've got any more questions about how to create amazing online course videos and publish incredibly engaging and highly profitable online courses, send me a DM, comment below, come check it out. See you soon.